DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. I'm Tony, man, and I don't know what time it is. I want to know the vibes is, man. When the Don is back in the lab, you know, man, you don't know bad music and bad reaction. There, and today is no different. They are with Don. The bad Juvie is back in town. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Last song we react to was, I believe, was Shades. Yeah, I believe it was Shades. Our last song we react to from Pablo. That went clear. Then another one, the one named Bust Down. You see me, I say again, we'll check it out and see what that deal with. Like what you was still up on the freshness thing. You see me, I say? Alright, man, talk about again. We'll see what I go and do. You see me, we're not going to look the vibe much longer. We're there with Bad Juvie himself, Pablo 𝐻𝐍. Bust down. Let's get it.
You see the talk, them talk still can't like you You see the talk, them talk still can't like you
Shit. Them want talk, then can't lock your road code and can't lock your road good. Which one is it? Here you go.
You see the talk, them talk still can't lock you do a coulda drive for your bucket still can't get you flow. Yeah, the fake I go fake and the fake I fi show. Man, start from my band, from my heart that me know elevate for be great. Work hard for my
come on, now the fake of a fake and it know it have to show you. Come on. I like how you kick this one off, bro. I like how you kick this one off. Come on, let's talk truth, man. Yeah, man.
See the talk, them talk still can't lock you do a coulda drive for your bucket still can't get you flow. Yeah, the fake I go fake and the fake I fi show. Man, I start from my band, from my heart that me know elevate for be great. Work hard for my goal, from my guns, for my dream. Still I read
to be great. I want to then can't stop your youth. You hear that?
Work hard for me things, so my own what me want. Still I learn from the past, cause I part I rule. Used to
still I learn from the past, cause I part I rule. I want to, man. Come in, man, I drop gems in another one. Come in. Pablo.
That me know elevate for be great. Work hard for my goal. From my gun for my dream. Still I reap my soul. Work hard for me things, so my own what me want. Still I learn from the past, cause I part I rule. Used to broke, but we up now. Yeah. We left the bad mind, pussy them a cuss now.
Yeah.
But honestly, I just true. My last tune better than my first tune.
Easy, talk truth now, yo. Easy now, man. Go on, yo. Do it.
I know my blood clot chain them bust down. Blood clot car them custom. Bad mind pussy me say fuck.
Blood clot chain them bust down. Blood clot car them custom. I'm here, yo. Come here, man. The bad Juvie. Come on, man. Come on.
I know my blood clot chain them bust down.
Yeah.
Blood clot car them custom. Bad mind pussy me say fuck you. Me and my blood clot dog them love gun. Coons them pan a black uptown. Chillin' with a bad Barbie and she with bust gun for me. Not just come.
Yeah, if you bad Barbie then the Taliban them, you know, man. I'm to you.
You a tough love bitches. No new friend, man, no love company. New rifle and the must bust sweet.
Yeah.
Inform I want feds come to we and I use them beat. But we up now. Great. We left it.
This right here is a fucking vibe, Pablo. No joke. This playlist. Come on.
Bad man pussy them a cuss now. But honestly I just true. My last tune better than my first tune. I know my blood clot chain them bust down. Blood clot car them custom. You see the talk, them talk still can't lock you do a coulda drive for your bucket still can't catch you flow.
Easy now. Come in. Yeah, go on, man. Come in, man. I'm
them custom. You see the talk, them talk still can't lock you do a coulda drive for your bucket still can't catch you flow. Yeah, the fake I go fake and the fake I go show. Man, I start from my band, from my heart that me know elevate for be great. Work hard for my goal. From my gun for my dream. Still I reap my soul. Work hard for me things, so my own what me want. Still I learn from the past, cause I part of the rule.
Easy now, man. No. Come in. Yeah, man, if you watch the video, like, make sure you like it, you know. If you're there this far, make sure you like and subscribe. I want, because clearly I enjoy the video and I enjoy the vibes. Come in, man.
We left the bad mind pussy them a cuss now. But honestly I just true. My last tune better than my first tune. I know my blood clot chain them bust down. Blood clot car them custom.
To you, man. Easy, Pablo. Blows and skirt. Come on.
Like mine pussy, me say fuck you.
Blood clean. Yeah, man, gang. The bad juvie that. Yeah, man, the bad juvie himself. Yeah, man, Pablo. Y to the G. Yeah, man, the one the name Blood Clean. Bust down. And now the man carry them custom. To know the bad man people have got the dog in the dog. To can't stop it dog. All you not try, you can't lock the door. You see me and say, all if you know have a bucket, you can't catch a flow. I want to your dog and I feel, hey, fly the gate and let go the dog. You see me and say, yeah man, Pablo, big up yourself, me G. Been tell them, you know. You see me then just I find out. Years ago, me I tell you, say, yo, you see the brother here? The brother have a different style quality, you know. The dog have great potential. You see youth young? Yo, give that a couple years and this if you go and do him thing right. You see me and say, and don't stray. You see me keep, you see me? Be a militant in that thing and keep coming with great music and dog I go far man. You can't hold the dog man. You see me and say, but Juvie himself man, Pablo 𝐎𝐍. Young, I don't think about the one day. You see me? Play the song that. Motivational tune, inspirational tune, go get a tune, money tune. Yeah, you see me and say? Play the song that. You see me and say? Yeah man, yeah. You don't think about the one day. Drop in the comments in the comment section if you like it. Definitely show the artist all over and support. You know, say the dancing. You see me and say? Yeah man, make sure you drop on the requests. You're gonna get your shout out, all that good stuff. You already know, gang. Now all of the vibes much longer. You see me and say till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.